So you've uploaded your prospects, you've started to use soft pull, but you haven't gotten your first alerts yet, and you're not sure what's going to happen once those alerts start coming in. So the first thing you're going to see is an email from MonitorBase letting you know that one of your customers has taken some sort of activity that you've selected you'd like to be notified on. Now, that email is going to prompt you to log into your MonitorBase account and take a look at which prospect has had which kind of behavior. You'll then be able to see credit profiles, including Fair Isaac version 2 FICO scores, which is the mortgage FICO. You'll be able to see that maybe an email firm offer has gone out or a mailed firm offer is scheduled to go out to that customer with your personalized information on it, so that when the customer gets it, they can call you or email you on that particular marketing piece that's been scheduled. And next, you should be wondering, what am I supposed to do now that I have the information that you've given me? Because we might tell you any number of different alerts or behaviors or actions the marketing is scheduled to go out, but your next steps are really important to the success of the MonitorBase platform. Now, if you know, as an example, that one of your customers has had their credit pulled for a mortgage with another loan originator or at another mortgage company, that's an opportunity for you to call the customer in addition to the marketing that's gone out. You can also get notifications on customers who were previously credit denied but now have improved their credit score to meet your minimum criteria. We also can notify you when customers or previous prospects in that database have listed their homes for sale or for rent. And the last kind of marketing that we trigger or monitoring that we track for is the predictive marketing event, which is a machine learning algorithm based event that says a customer is taking some pre-shopping behaviors, and now's a good time for marketing to go out to them so that you're talking to them before they're talking to someone else. Now, what else you should pay attention to out of the system, besides just the customers taking the alerts that you've selected you'd like to receive, are things like when those customers call you on those letters, when they open emails or respond to emails, or click the button on those emails that requests more information. All of those are good indicators of when a customer is in the market and it's a good time to be reaching out to them.